everybody, Holli here from HolliDay, AnyDay, and what am I gonna drink today? Well, let me tell you. I was out of town this past weekend and they had the most yummy drink by the pool and I had to replicate it at home. It's basically a Paloma, which I've had a billion times, basically a grapefruit margarita, right? But they used a grapefruit liqueur that just put it over the top. So I kind of created this one and we're gonna try it today. So first I took crushed ice. They did it blended, but I didn't want to get out the blender. So we have crushed ice and a salted rim. We'll start with that. Then we're gonna use some reposado tequila. And we're gonna use some fresh grapefruit juice. And I think this is the trick right here. Pamplemousse liqueur. Oh, I could probably drink it with a straw. So good. And if you were making this and gonna put it on the rocks or put it up in a martini, I would put ice in here and I'd shake it or stir it. But I'm gonna serve it over crushed ice. So I don't want it to get watered down. So that's why I'm just stirring this and I am not going to shake it. Because when you have crushed ice, it tends to get watered down anyway a little bit. Then let's add some fresh lime. About half a fresh lime. Okay. Let's give it a little stir. Okay. Then we're gonna pour it over the prepared glass. This would make a great up drink, martini drink. Do that. Let's give it just a tiny teeny bit of liqueur, grapefruit soda. You could use regular club soda, it works fine. Okay. I don't have room to add a wedge, but this would be basically the plan. Look at that, it's to die for. Like I said, we're outside, so don't mind the helicopter, I guess it is. Oh my God. This is truly my new favorite drink. You have to make this. And it really tastes better with the salt. So just, go crazy, have the salt. It's to die for. It's easy breezy.